When I open my mouth, it hurts more, and I feel scared because I do not know why. I try to look in the mirror, but I cannot see the problem, and that makes me nervous. When I try to brush this tooth, the pain becomes sharp, so I stop right away.
At breakfast, Mia stays very quiet and does not eat because chewing hurts. Sweetheart, you look uncomfortable today. Is your tooth hurting you?
Yes, Mom. My back tooth hurts, especially when I chew or drink cold water.
When did it start? And did it hurt a little yesterday too?
It started today, but yesterday cold juice already made it hurt a little. Do you want warm water? Thank you, Leo. Warm water feels much better than cold water.
We should see a dentist today. Early help is easier and safer.
I feel scared because dentists use tools. Will it hurt a lot?
We will go step by step, and the dentist will explain everything first.
Breathe slowly, ask questions, and raise your hand if you need a pause.
Okay, I will try. Please stay close to me.
The family gets ready calmly and leaves together.
Soon, they arrive at a friendly dental clinic. They walk in together, ready to ask for help. Hello and welcome. Please fill out this form and we will help you soon. We will write that Mia has pain in her back tooth and that cold drinks make it worse. This form allows a basic exam and a small X-ray if needed, and Mia can pause anytime.
The clinic feels quiet, but I still feel nervous. Sitting with you helps me feel calmer. If you feel scared, you can hold my hand too.
Mia, it is your turn now. Please come with me.
I will walk slowly because my tooth still feels sensitive.
Hello, Mia. This is our dental chair, and we will go slowly today. If you feel uncomfortable, raise your hand and I will stop right away.
So if I feel scared one day, I can do this too, right?
Yes, Leo. Listening to your body and speaking up is very important.
My back tooth hurts more when I chew and when I drink cold things.
I will look first with a small mirror. Please open your mouth a little. I see a small cavity on this tooth, and that explains the pain. I suggest a small X-ray to see the tooth clearly. It will be very quick.
Is the X-ray safe for me? I feel a little worried.
Yes, it is safe. You will wear this apron, and it only takes a few seconds.
You look like a hero with that shield.
The X-ray is quick, and Mia stays very still and brave.
The cavity is small, so we can fix it today with a simple filling.
I feel scared when I see the tools. Will it hurt a lot? You did the X-ray already. You are very brave.
We will start with numbing gel. and I will tell you every step. I am putting the gel now. It may feel cool, but it helps the tooth rest.
Breathe slowly with me. You are doing so well.
My lip feels funny now, and the pain feels smaller.
I will clean the cavity slowly. Please raise your hand if you need a break. Great signal, Mia. Let us pause and breathe together. The filling is going in now. We are almost finished. Your bite feels balanced now. Very good. Now let me show you how to brush and floss to protect your teeth. Hold the brush at a small angle and make gentle circles near the gums. Brush for 2 minutes and divide your mouth into 4 parts. Gentle pressure is enough. Hard brushing can hurt the gums. Take enough floss and leave a short part to clean each tooth. Make a C shape and move the floss up and down slowly. Clean both sides of each tooth space before moving on.
Small circles and gentle pressure. I can do this at home. I will floss carefully too, so my teeth stay healthy.
You both did an excellent job today.
Hey,
This guide shows how to care for the tooth today.
If strong pain or swelling appears, please call us quickly. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly and kindly.
We will see Mia again in 3 months for a quick check.
They leave the clinic feeling calm and proud because they worked together.
I was scared before, but the dentist explained everything slowly, and that helped me feel brave. I felt worried for you, but I am proud because you did not give up.
Asking for help early and staying calm can make a big problem feel much smaller. Soon, the family arrives home, where everything feels quiet and safe again. Today, we will eat soft food and chew slowly so your tooth can rest.
I can eat without sharp pain now, and that makes me feel much better. Please drink water after you eat. I remember the dentist said that helps.
After lunch, Mia rests quietly so her body and tooth can recover.
I will brush gently for 2 minutes, especially on my back teeth. I will brush gently too, so my teeth stay strong and healthy. I will floss slowly and clean both sides, just like the dentist showed me.
The evening feels calm, and Mia looks more comfortable than before.
I learned that facing my fear step by step made everything easier.
You listened, asked questions, and stayed calm. That is real strength.
If I ever feel tooth pain, I will tell you early and not hide it.
The family prepares a simple daily routine to protect their smiles.
Thank you for staying with me today. I feel safe and calm now.
Sleep well, and your tooth will feel even better tomorrow.
Today's lesson is simple. Stay calm, ask for help early, and care for your teeth every day.
If this story helped you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us share more calm and helpful English stories for families. Take small daily steps to care for your smile and keep learning together.